can't wait to see this boat in the water, man. This is gonna be so sweet. This thing's badass. Listen to it cavitate, eh? Holy shit, dude. God damn, son. That thing's fucking killer fast. That is nutty fast. Oh fuck, you're passing the remote? Yes, I'll take it.
I get you when it's fast.
Wow, man, that's just... What is it called again? Traxxas.
DCB or DCB M41 Traxxas.
Holy shit, look at it go!
Oh. I thought I was gonna...
Does it have? Not that much.
I was gonna say, oh my god, I guess I gotta hold your Oakleys, eh? God.
Hey, wait.
Here.
How long does the batteries last for?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, there's two in there. Two lipos. It's like running what is it? What's success?
Go fetch it. At least it's not cold out.
22.2 volts or something like that runs. The power.
That's awesome.
Yeah, the battery's dying, you can tell on it.
Yeah, it's starting to drop on you. Those batteries I picture are fucking smoking hot right now.
Is that rechargeable? Or?
Yeah. Yeah, it only takes like an hour to recharge each battery.
Cool.
On a good charger.
That's sweet, man. Cool. That's deadly. All kinds of shit they got.
Almost out of range there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say on full battery power it runs like 50 plus miles an hour.
Oh yeah.
So do I.
I wonder, yeah, going 30, 40 miles.
Oh yeah, you're starting to dump now.
That's full power.
Wow, that's awesome.